We're in the beginning stages of making a deer food plot today, so that's where we're headed, up into the woods. I'm going to bring you along with me. We made it pretty far back into the woods here, and this is where this particular food plot's going to be, right back in there, and all those weeds, those are all going to have to go. It's a nice sunny area. You can see, maybe, if the light adjusts, how we cut through here. I just cut a straight path. And now I'm going to go ahead and clear all this out. Again, this area gets a lot of sun, so a food plot should grow pretty good up in here. And there's plenty of cover for the deer to come and go and not be afraid to approach this area. As you can see, I cut one path through here, and I just wanted to show you what I'm up against. These weeds here are well over my head. These are about 6 to 8 feet tall, and I'm really putting the Predator to the test. At this point, I'm going to have to cut in, throw it in reverse, and just get a strip cleared big enough for me to actually turn around. So that's what we're going to be doing. And soon, between all these trees here in this nice little field, we're going to have our area cleared for our food plot. Well, that didn't take too long after briefly losing my handheld ham radio and luckily not running over it again. As you can see here, we've got the area cleared out, at least as good as it's going to get cleared out for right now. There's been some issue with the blade engagement on the Predator. I'm going to have to look at that, but I'm about a mile away from any toolbox, so this isn't going to get cut down anymore. I was hoping to get it all sheared completely down to the ground before I put the ground clear down, but that's just not going to happen. This is the state that it's going to be in. I'll go ahead and put the ground clear down before I leave and just back out of the area. But this is what it's going to look like. For the most part, I might clear a little bit more once I get the Predator up and running again. Everything should start looking a lot better very soon. I'll be back in about 3 weeks to plant, and we'll go from there. If you're curious, that trail there leads to the Table Rock Cave. You might have seen it in another video. That's it. Thanks for watching. You know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.